What is access modifier? So access modifier is a way of like allowing different location to access what you want. So here we have this class. This class is public and it has a method which is also public. This means anyone anywhere can access this class and can access this method from that class. Uh, Let me just say public mean you can it's accessible from same class, same package, subclasses, other packages. But what happened? We have three different other types than public, which is second one is private. This means you can only access within the same class. You can't access it from anywhere else. So it is not accessible from subclass, same package, or other classes. It is only accessible within the class that is already defined here. So another like access modifiers that we have is protected. This means it is the same package in addition to subclasses, even if it's in different package. So this protected is accessible from same class, same package, subclasses in same or different packages, but it is not accessible from unrelated classes in other packages. We're gonna be diving into more details if you didn't really understand it. So we have the last one, which is the default here, which is in our case doesn't have like an access modifier. You don't really define it here, and it's gonna be having like the default behavior here. It's called the package private. This access level only within the same package. Yeah, like it is accessible from same class and same package, but it is not accessible from any subclass in other package or any other package at all. So basically this is like the four access modifiers that we have, and we're gonna be just diving into more details